scammers are getting more sophisticated. I just got a new email with a scam on it, so let's jump right in. I received this email from QuickBooks Payments at qbo.alerts@intuit.net. Hey, that looks right? It comes to my email address, has the logo on it, and tells you a new authentication system will be implemented. Now, sometimes sophistication is simplicity, not complication, because what it tells you here is in order to continue processing payments, you'll need to confirm your Intuit user ID and password immediately. Check out our website. Now, it does say check out our website below. You could, and when you get an email like this from QuickBooks, usually you would expect it to say, go to our website, and then probably not provide a link. But in this case, for simplicity, it tells you, well, go to intuit.com, which seems to look legit, right? Until you watch this area right down here. When you hover over this, let me get that a little bit better. When you hover over here, there's an email link that will pop up in that area that I've identified below that says what the actual website is. And this one is mamnunductory.com, which is not an Intuit website, but unless you're paying attention, if you're going too fast, you may not notice that that's what it is. So be very careful out there. Sometimes sophistication is not complication. Sometimes it is the actual simplicity. Hope this has been helpful. If it is, give us a like down below. If you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing. And if you know someone this may help, do share. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.